Howdy folks, Eric here, and today we're going to be doing an oil change on my 2025 F150 Lariat with the 5.0 Coyote. So let's take a look at what you're going to need to get it done. So to do the job, you're going to need 7.75 quarts or 7.3 liters of 5W30 full synthetic engine oil here. We got Kirkland here, really good quality. You're going to need a 15mm socket wrench. I got an extension here, just give you a little bit of leverage. You're going to need a Ford Motorcraft F150 oil filter, a filler funnel. Got some super clean degreaser here, help clean out the areas when some oil spills kind of go over, little drips. Some Scotty's towels, and depending on how tight your oil filter is, you're going to need an oil filter wrench. You may or may not. I actually didn't end up needing this, but you may. Remove the oil cap. We're going to take out the oil drain plug. You're going to need a 15mm socket for this. Let it drain. Wear gloves, unlike me. All right, and while that's draining, we're going to leave that like that for about 10 minutes. We're going to get up front and we're going to swap out the oil filter. So as we hop on under the car here, we look up, you can see very clearly this oil filter here. And we may just be able to grab it and untighten it ourselves, but you might need this to help get it out. Got a secondary drain pan in place just so that it can catch that oil. So you can see here there's this little shield kind of thing here that actually helps channel the oil that comes out of the oil filter into a secondary drain pan. And the reason I got a secondary is just because that one wasn't quite ready draining when I took out the oil filter. So I just got a secondary one there to catch that oil. All right, so we're going to be refilling this with 5W30 full synthetic Kirkland oil here. Some people say it's based off Mobil 1, who knows, but good quality anyway. And we got a Ford Motor Company oil filter FL500S. This is what you're going to need if you get the 5.0 Coyote 2025. It's most likely the same for most years with this engine. All right, guys, we got a little bit of oil here in the cap. We're just going to take our oil filter, take that oil, and just lube up. Now you're going to screw on your oil filter and wipe off any drips with a Scotty's towel. Screw back on the oil drain plug. Wipe off any oil that's around the drain plug. Spray some degreaser, let it sit for a bit, and wipe it off. Tighten the oil drain plug to 19 foot-pounds or 26 Newton-meters of torque. All right, so we're ready to fill it up. You're going to need a kind of filler funnel here that'll help get the oil into the filler cap. You need 5W30 full synthetic engine oil. So we're going to be putting in, if you change the oil filter, 7.75 quarts or 7.3 liters. So let's get that in. And here on the second bottle, I'm going bit by bit and checking the oil as we go to make sure we don't overfill it. We got a good reading over here. Let's reset the oil life. Take your cap, throw it back. All right, turn it in accessory. Go to your main menu, go all the way down to vehicle maintenance, oil life, hold OK to reset oil life. And now you're at 100%. All right, guys, and that is it for this oil change video. This thing has been running great. You got to look after these 5.0 engines, and they're going to last a very, very long time. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe, hit the like button on the video. That'd be greatly appreciated, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Take care.